You could ask JFresh to do it if he's around. He might be interested. We would have MOASed if it wasn't for the share release back in June, right? I think the potential was there. I don't know if we would have MOASed, but we would have broken 350. But at the same time, I mean, for timing, Ryan Cohen's share offering was perfect for getting as much capital as feasibly possible for the company. So, you have to weigh that. A cornered tiger is Miss Dangerous. I think just tigers in general are pretty fucking dangerous, Stefan. I can do 6. See, like, I think we had the potential to do something in June because June has leaps as well. But I don't think it would have been as great a potential as January. If Cohen announces something in the next 20 days, the effect of that catalyst could be unbelievable. Like there's a real opportunity here to get the shorts off the stock. RC's buy-in had it was a big part of the bullish, like, so it fucked up their plans, right? They were shorting the stock the same way they did this year under the gamma exposure. And that big delta sensitivity spike. And then Cohen bought in, which really fucked up their plans and probably created far more FTDs than they were prepared to handle. Why is Nvidia down 5%? Everything's down 5%. IWM had a shitload of FTDs at the end of 2020. Yes, it did. They did the same. We're going back and we're looking at the ETF flow data now, and they did the exact same shit last year that they've started doing this year. Like the same Vanguard BlackRock creation cutoff, forcing the MMs and short hedge funds to go out and find other, or the APs at least, to go find other ETFs to short within, which then reg shows out those smaller ETFs because they can't handle the volume, leading into massive FTD covering through the January cycle. So the only difference is RC's buy-in. Yeah, but the illiquidity now is so much higher. Like everyone's worried about us getting 180 million volume days, but we don't need it. Like we can watch the market for our own liquidity tests, right? I mean, look at our volume on November 3rd to go up $50. Look at our volume November 17th, 18th, 19th, 22nd to run that $50 gamut again. It's we just don't need the same amount of volume to see the same amount of price improvement. Clip. I don't know when it started.